Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Every living being on this planet, whether human being or animals, need to eat a healthy and nutritional diet for their survival. In this industrial documentary video, we will tell you about all the necessary information to start your own cattle feed manufacturing business. Demand of milk is increasing with each passing day. Milk production depends on the milk producing animals. Milk production can only increase when milk producing animals are given a healthy fodder to eat. Today we will tell you about cattle feed business as it is a very profitable and flourishing business. Demand of cattle feed can increase vastly in current times, but people should maintain its quality. The raw materials which will be needed in cattle feed business are rice polish, gram husk, wheat bran, corn, salt and jaggery. Process. In order to prepare cattle feed, first of all, you will need to feed raw materials inside bins. In the next step, bins which have raw materials to grind are fed into the grinder. The grinder grinds the raw material and converts it into the required size. After this, with the help of mixture, all raw materials are mixed according to cattle feed composition. This ready mixture will be now fed into pellet mill. Now the product is ready. After checking its quality, the product is packed into bags of 40 to 50 kg and supplied in markets. Area. In order to settle feed unit on a small scale, you will require an area of approximately 1500 to 2000 square feet. The area requirement is also dependent on the size of your project. Plant and machinery. To set up cattle feed manufacturing business with 300 kg production capacity, cost of plant and machinery will be approximately rupees 6 to 7 lakh plus GST. The cost also depends on automatic and semi-automatic plant. In addition to core plant and machinery and miscellaneous tools, a few equipments will also be needed for this business. Talking about additional assets this business will require are electrical installation, power panel, DG set, furniture and fixture for office. Power requirement. Cattle feed manufacturing business will need an electric load of 10 kilowatt. Electric load is dependent on plant size and machine capacity. Manpower. This business can easily be started with 7 to 8 manpower, including operator, skilled and unskilled labor, admin and sales manager. Let us now understand about the investment needed to set up this business and the profits which can be earned. Expected monthly turnover. Talking about the monthly turnover, if you are operating on a small scale with 100% capacity in 8 hours shift daily, then you can make a monthly sale of up to rupees 3 lakh to rupees 3.5 lakh. Expected monthly profit. After deducting factory expenses, sales and admin expenses, You can earn a monthly profit of approximately rupees 40,000 to rupees 45,000. All the mentioned figures can increase or decrease as per size of business, type of business and investment. License. If you want to set up this business, you will need licenses like GST, Udyam, FSSAI and trademark, which is optional. Schemes available. You can easily start this business with schemes like PMEGP and Stand Up India. The schemes also depend on your investment and project. Under PMFME scheme, micro food processing enterprises planning to promote their enterprise can avail credit-linked capital subsidy at 35% of the project cost. The maximum subsidy can be up to rupees 10 lakh per enterprise. The beneficiary's contribution should be a minimum of 10% and the remaining amount should be a loan from the bank. The scheme will provide assistance to FPOs, SHGs, producer cooperatives for capital investment along the entire value chain with 35% credit-linked grants.